If you own an iPhone and the power button is broken, it doesn't mean you can't turn on the phone. So here's my phone. No matter what I do, it won't turn on. Easiest way to get it to turn on, in case you didn't know, is to take your data cable and plug it either to a PC or to a power adapter, which I have hooked up right now. Just connect it. As soon as you connect it, it should power up the phone. That's it. So you really don't need the power button to power up your phone. Usually you'll have your phone on most of the time. I don't know when you'd want to power it down other than if it's not acting right. Well, once it turns on, you can already take off the power cable and let it turn on. That leads to the next question, how you shut it off. Okie dokie. So I'll answer that in the second part.